In this video we are talking about of how high will Celestia go in the 2024 bull market. I share my price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Celestia to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Celestia is on place 31 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3 billion. The coin is just existent since the last November and we are now in an all-time high. And now we are seeing this bullish explosion from Celestia. Just from the beginning of the year to the highs right now, we moved about 110% to the upside. So this is a really crazy price increase about the last 2 weeks. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows all the way and higher highs. So if we are now continuing with this bullish momentum to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices for Celestia this year, because again, Celestia has a market cap of $3 billion. And if you compare the market cap to the market cap of Dogecoin, which is on place 10 of all cryptocurrencies, here the market cap is nearly $12 billion. So just from the market cap we have 4x potential to the Dogecoin price right now from Celestia. And if the whole crypto market cap of the cryptocurrencies is growing even higher, then the potential to the upside from Celestia is also even higher. Here we have the chart of the total crypto market cap from all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum and all altcoins. And after we saw this longer bearish trend and this consolidation right here, we are now seeing this bullish momentum to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. So the chances are that we can continue this bullish momentum. And if enough money comes into the crypto market from retailers and big institutions, the chance that we can see even higher prices for the market cap is also there. And especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance that much money comes into the crypto market and that we are also breaking this last high to the upside is very high. So chances are great that Celestia can move to the upside, especially because it's a growth project with great fundamentals. And I think that the realistic price target for the next bull run would around be the $100 market. And from the prices right now, that would be a price increase of 400%. I think that Celestia could reach even higher prices. But I think that $100 is a realistic price goal for the next bull run, especially as I said, if much money comes into the crypto market, if Celestia is growing as a crypto coin in the cryptocurrency rank. And of course, when Bitcoin goes into the bull run, the chance that altcoins like TIA are also exploding to the upside is very high. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for Celestia. So if we are seeing lower prices again, then I think this daily order block is the first really interesting buy zone area, because this order block was the beginning of this push to this highs right here. So the chance if we are coming into this order block again and if we are not breaking it to the downside and if we are seeing a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is the first really interesting buy area to enter a long position. And if we are seeing even lower levels, I think that this demand zone would be a great buy area, because after we saw this consolidation, we saw this push to the upside. So again, if we see even lower prices and if we are coming into this demand zone and if we see a bullish reaction, then I would definitely buy some coins here for my long-term hodl portfolio. From this prices to the $100, we would have a potential of nearly 700%. And this would be a very great deal for Celestia. Of course, guys, if we see even lower prices for Celestia, it would be even a greater deal for the long run. But I think these two areas are very great chances to move into long positions, because technically these are strong bullish continuation zones. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Celestia, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for Celestia. If you want to see my mirror price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.